20 phrasal verbs with up and out with examples. Bring up. Meaning, to raise a topic or a child. She brought up an interesting point during the meeting. They brought up their children in a small town. Come up. Meaning, to be mentioned or to arise. The issue came up during the discussion. Something urgent came up, so I couldn't attend the event. Make up. Meaning, to invent a story or a lie or to reconcile. She made up an excuse for being late. They had a fight but made up the next day. Pick up. Meaning, to learn or acquire something or to lift. She picked up Spanish while living in Mexico. Can you pick up the kids from school? Blow up. Meaning, to explode or become very angry. The bomb blew up, causing widespread damage. He blew up when he heard the bad news. Call up. Meaning, to telephone someone. I'll call up my friend to confirm the plan. She called him up to discuss the project. Dress up. Meaning, to wear formal or special clothes. They dressed up for the wedding. You don't need to dress up. It's a casual party. Keep up. Meaning, to maintain the same pace or level. He walks so fast, it's hard to keep up with him. Keep up the good work. Stand up. Meaning, to rise to a standing position or to defend someone/something. Please stand up when the judge enters. She stood up for her friend during the argument. Take up. Meaning, to occupy space, time, or start a new activity. The new sofa takes up a lot of room. She decided to take up knitting as a hobby. Phrasal verbs without. Break out. Meaning, to escape or to start suddenly. The prisoners broke out of jail. A fire broke out in the kitchen. Figure out. Meaning, to solve or understand something. I finally figured out how to fix the problem. Can you figure out this math problem? Drop out. Meaning, to quit or leave something, especially school. He dropped out of college in his second year. Many students drop out due to financial reasons. Run out. Meaning, to use up all of something. We ran out of milk, so I'll go buy some. Time is running out. We need to hurry. Carry out. Meaning, to perform or complete a task. They carried out the experiment successfully. She carried out her duties with dedication. Go out. Meaning, to leave home for a social activity. They're going out for dinner tonight. She loves going out with friends on weekends. Turn out. Meaning, to have a particular result. It turned out to be a beautiful day. The event turned out better than expected. Find out. Meaning, to discover or learn something. I found out about the surprise party accidentally. He found out the truth after some investigation. Hand out. Meaning, to distribute something to people. The teacher handed out the worksheets. They handed out flyers for the event. Back out. Meaning, to withdraw from an agreement or promise. He backed out of the deal at the last minute. She backed out of the trip due to a family emergency.